Hello, I really hope I started this vlog off and this isn't the first clip you're seeing of me because I don't look so cute. But if it isn't, hi, welcome back to my channel. I promise I look more presentable most of the time on this channel. Today's Thursday, November 14th? It's the 14th. It's 2 days until the party. The other clip is where I explained everything because I'm like so afraid that my dad's gonna walk in, but... Okay guys, so basically I was supposed to record a clip the day of the party, but I was in a rush to get ready, so I didn't have time to do that. But basically I was supposed to just say that we're having a surprise party for my dad, and this video is a video of me getting all, well, and my sister and my aunt and my cousin all helped us get all the food ready for the party a couple days before, so enjoy. Today we're making most of the desserts, so I made a batch of Rice Krispie treats. I'm right now we're crushing up these Oreos. I'm gonna do the Nutter Butters. Yeah, I just wanted to vlog today of me prepping for the party and like making everything for memories, and I just thought it would be a fun vlog, and I think everyone's so hyped. Auntie Glenda's coming in today, so I'm trying to get all this stuff done for the most part before she comes in, so that after she comes in I can work and stuff. But anyways, just enjoy the montage of me making stuff, and I'll catch you guys up probably when I pick up Auntie Glenda. Okay, so literally to make these the Oreo truffles and the peanut butter truffles that we're making, we literally have to crush up Oreos. So I have 2 packs of Oreos over here that I'm like banging. That's why you see the spatula here. After that, I'm gonna crush up the Nutter Butters. That's what the peanut butter, it's a mess, I'm sorry, but that's what the Rice Krispie treats look like after we finish making them. They're not the cutest, but I'm telling you, these are the most delicious things in the entire world. Look who's here! What are you doing? You want to say hi to the vlog? Okay, hi guys. So it's been a long while since I think I vlogged last. I really haven't been vlogging that much because we've just been doing stuff. But I made the Rice Krispie treats. Well, Auntie Glenda helped me. She's here. And she helped me finish the Rice Krispie treats. And then now we're helping Mariah with the cookies. So these are what they are, and we have a little, ignore the mess, but these are what they are. I realized we have a little assembly line going.
After a few minutes, but it was actually my phone ringing.
Wait, hold on. So Auntie Glenda's outlining, and then I fill it in, and then Mariah spreads it out so it looks all thin. We ordered pizza, so we didn't have to cook, because obviously we're going to be cooking all day. Are you excited, Mariah? Are you excited? You're not looking at me. Are you excited?
I'm not paying attention.
I know. We still have all of these cookies to frost. And Dad's sitting here eating his salad. Is it good?
Whatever. I don't know.
It's what good? The salad?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, so everyone else, well, Auntie Glenda is playing with Benjamin for a little bit while Mariah's doing homework, so we can put the assembly line on hold for a second. And now I'm gonna just mix the Oreo, Nutter Butter, and peanut butter truffles. So you crush up, the Oreos are crushed up earlier. Then all you do is you put 2 blocks of cream cheese into here and you mix it up. And then you roll them into balls, and that's literally it, but they're so freaking good. You helping?
All right. Careful. Good job. Gotta mush all those cookies. Good.
Wait guys, what time is it?
Tool time! You ever watch Tool Time?
No.
Tim, the Tool Man Taylor.
You can't tell the vlog that. Personal information.
She didn't give out her address. I mean, that's, you know.
What's going on here?
This is really
I'm
annoying.
vlogging.
Anybody want to come visit? I'll be back next week.
She makes good food.
Yeah.
I did not get that treat from her. I think it's lack of motivation though.
It's 1 in the morning now.
Food today at work.
No,
Oh.
it's 1:45.
That's still 1 something.
Still on the 1 o'clock hour.
Okay, whatever. Hi.
Zoom in on your face. And we're still making truffles.
Hey, get your balls in there.
Dipping the balls in the chocolate. Three in the morning. Mariah's still making cupcakes, right?
Actually, these two
She's so
sit
happy.
here.
I'm literally gonna
You
wash
can
the
fit
dishes,
those
and that's the
other
whole
2
vlog
dozen
clip.
here. You're gonna be in bed by 3:30 maybe?
3:34.
Yeah, I'm gonna wash the dishes, so.
I hear you breathe, but I can't see if you're right here next to me.
Finished washing all the dishes. Oh my god, it's all those over there. I hate you so much. Dude, where am I supposed to put them? Oh yeah, you right. Also people, it's literally almost 4 in the morning. Wait, is this your stuff in the oven?
Yeah.
So you still have to wait for them to cool?
Yeah.
Oh, it sucks for you. Okay, so we got this letter in the mail that it's from my dad's LVAD team, and my mom like invited them all to the party, so instead of coming, well they couldn't come, and instead of coming they sent a letter, like a little card for them to give my dad, and it's so cute. I just think that's cute, and I want to remember that on the vlog because that was so nice of them. I didn't even have to do that since they couldn't come.
I hear you breathe, but I can't see if you're right here next to me. Something's wrong, wasn't it fun? Is it now we're done? You get dressed, I'm like a mess, and you tell me to confess, and you tell me to confess. Oh.
Okay, hi guys. So I have literally not talked to you all day, I'm pretty sure. It is now 7 o'clock and I was supposed to be vlogging. I did like some clips of us doing things, so I think you saw us writing on the cookies and tying up the cookies. And that's pretty much what we did in the morning. And then I made brownies, cut those up. I didn't film that though. I forgot to. Oh, here they are if you really care. Brownies, cool. And then we frosted the carrot cake cupcakes, and then my sister is now making 3 giant pans of chicken marsala. I'm cleaning up the kitchen, and that's the last thing we have to do, and then we're good to go for tomorrow. I'm so freaking tired right now, you do not understand. I'm really hyped for tomorrow, even though I probably sound so tired and just not enthusiastic right now. That's the update. I hope this vlog isn't too boring. It's basically just us putting everything, like prepping everything. So I hope it isn't too boring. Oh, let me show you a little bit of the decorations because the centerpieces took me so freaking long. So I kind of have everything hidden in my room for reasons I don't want to say out loud because I'm so afraid that he's going to be around every corner. But basically I have them hidden in my closet, which is a mess, so please don't judge. But I have them all down here. So each of them are themed. So this one, he really loves Star Wars, so I have little Star Wars people around it. I think they came out pretty cute. Yeah, I don't know if you care, but I kind of want to remember what they look like for later. I probably said at the beginning of the video, this is mostly from memory. Oh, also, wait, I want to show you the card box because I think it's so freaking cute. Like, the centerpieces are themed around like things that he likes. The card box is themed, and it's themed Star Trek. It's like each side like a different color. It's so cute. I love it. I don't want to show you everything because I'm going to post a whole video of the day we're setting up and show you guys everything then and like the day of the party. And then I'm also going to film and get ready with me for how I do my makeup for the party. So yeah, that's the plan. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and stay tuned for other videos. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.